Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the AirPods are charged and the case is closed with earbuds inside. That prevents accidental power drain. On your Oneplus, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on so the phone is actively scanning. Once done, bring the closed AirPods case within a few inches of the phone. Keeping the case closed avoids triggering the wrong state. If the Oneplus doesn't detect anything, unlock the phone and stay on the Bluetooth screen while you move to the next action. Now you shift into active pairing. Open the AirPods case lid close to the Oneplus so it starts advertising. The phone should show a device name in a few seconds. If the AirPods don't appear, press and hold the small button on the back of the case for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. After the device appears on your phone's Bluetooth list, tap it, then accept any pairing or permission prompts. This completes the secure link, so audio routes correctly. Finish by verifying functionality. Play audio and confirm both earbuds' output sound and mic behavior. If levels or stereo orientation are off, check sound settings and balance. If audio quality seems compressed, make sure AAC codec is prioritized. Enable developer options and choose preferred Bluetooth codec for better fidelity. If pairing fails or connects intermittently, forget the AirPods on your Oneplus. Reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white, and repeat pairing. That usually clears stale profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.